I'm here with one of the guys who's doing the communication here at the Old Car Show in George. Hartland, tell us a bit more what you do here at the Old Car Show.
What I normally do here is once a year they ask me to come and do the sort of MC work, the communication work. You do the announcements and you talk to people who drive these cars, and you do the music and do the sound and so on. But what we have found in the last few years, we've mainly done it in Afrikaans and in English, but what we have found is we have the black people coming in, the African people coming in, and as a result of that we have found ourselves now being able to communicate with them in Xhosa. So it's opened up a whole new sort of sphere of the community as such, drawing these people in.
So since it's the 20th year anniversary here at the Old Car Show, how long have you been participating?
Well, it's been 9 years that I've had the privilege of being part of this whole community, and it is a great pleasure because as the time goes on we develop and we learn more and more, and we've initially started off in English and in Afrikaans with all the announcements and the work that we do here. But as time passed we started finding out that we can draw in the other people, the Xhosa people, the African people, and speaking to them now in their own language, we find that these people attend now and bring in their cars as well. So yes, it's been a learning curve and a very sort of experience and a delightful experience to me.